Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment.
Click.
So keep on dancing, baby.
Hello, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. You ain't gotta play me like that. Anywho, hello, you guys, and welcome back to the vlog. So I have no idea what is in store for this vlog because we literally have been snowed in since Friday, and it is now Tuesday. I'm literally basically off for the rest of the week, but I work from home anyway, so I guess it really don't matter. He's off again tomorrow, so like we just at the house chilling. He playing his game, I'm filming, doing work here and there. Like, I don't know what this vlog gonna be about, but just stay tuned, okay? If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and join the honey gang,
Click.
okay? You crack me up doing that every time. Oh, shoot. All right. And I know I sound a little stuffy. We're both a little, I don't know. Anywho. Yeah. It's crazy. Anywho, love you guys. Like I said, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do that and stay tuned. Babe, you funny. Let me show y'all what outside is looking like. That is what outside is looking like. Like, the street is even piled up with snow. Like, fam. All the way to the doorstep. Nope. Ain't fucking with it. Not me. Alright, y'all. This is what the backyard is looking like. Just craziness. It's crazy, 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 crazy. But yes, y'all, I love having Christopher home, honey. He done cleaned the kitchen. He got our meat on in the crock pot, seasoned it, cut up everything. Let me see what we working with here. Ooh, yes, honey. Yes. I love it when the hubby is at home. I haven't ate all day. I was filming the 5-month lock update video. So if you guys haven't seen that already, that should already be up. So go ahead and check that out. I haven't ate all day, so, and it's going on 3:31. Like, that's ridiculous. So I'm about to find me something to eat, and I will check back with you guys later.
Okay, and turn your ID and those DPs down.
Hey y'all. So if y'all be wondering what we be doing, it's this. Chilling and eating dinner. Okay? That's what we do. Ain't that right, dear?
Yep.
Watching good on Netflix. Okay. Especially when it looks the way it looks outside.
No, we kept our home.
Oh my gosh, y'all. So this is what we managed to show y'all, and it done melt some too. So we did our whole driveway, and then even this, and this melted some too. But yeah, I actually got out there and helped them. I couldn't even believe it myself. Babe went to the store real quick down the street. But yes, y'all, I am not feeling the best, so I will see y'all or talk to y'all later. I just wanted to show y'all the progress we made. Hey guys, so this is the end of the video. The vlog this week, what can I say? I literally didn't do anything. Barely worked this week. Babe, barely worked this week. Like, I don't know. The snow, it was jacked up. We ain't do nothing. Sorry. Unfortunately. Yeah, we were stuck like Chuck. So, I guess I'm just going to end this off with giving you guys a little sneak peek of my retwist, okay? So, that video will be coming out the following Wednesday after this video comes out. So, you guys can stay tuned for that. Oh, my goodness. Do I have this on inside out? Are you mocking me? Don't be mocking me, okay? Don't. Okay, y'all. Babe, which part should I show him? Now he want to act like he's asleep. I can't stand him. Ooh. Ooh. This is the little sneak peek that I'm going to give y'all for my retwist. Y'all tell me which hairstyle y'all think it is. Because it's hard for y'all to... I can't even talk. Do you think you'd be able to figure out what hairstyle this is by me showing this? Oh my gosh. There could be several hairstyles with this. So, y'all let me know down below what hairstyle y'all think I have for my retwist, okay? And then maybe we can come up with like a prize or a giveaway or something for somebody who guesses right. So leave it down below, okay? Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And click, as Christopher likes to say. Okay, go ahead and do that for me. And then stay tuned for my retwist video. I love you guys so much. Join the Honey Gang and subscribe. Bye, y'all.